Here I've got a esp-12e little board to solder it onto, so I'm just going to do that and then test that it works using another little board that I've made with some Veriboard. So I'll just sit that there. That'll do. Once you get one pad soldered, it won't move around. So it's that first one that's crucial. Try and get your solder in the right place. That's that one done. All the others will be very straightforward. And that's them all done. So now just to put the pin headers on. That way in there. Now to get it lined up, I'm going to use my little board that I made to allow me to use these 3.3 volt ESPs on a 5 volt supply. So the easiest way to do this is to actually push the pin headers into the sockets so they're actually lined up, then it won't move, and to solder it all up. That's it done. Now this is a 5 volt USB to serial on this board, which puts 5 volts out. So to be able to use this other ESP, I've used a little regulator on there. It needs to actually be the other way around, which is fine. Make sure we don't blow it up. And we plug in USB cable. Hopefully we won't get any magic smoke. Yep. And the blue light flashed, so it came on, so it's at least got VCC. Do that again. Yep, the blue light does flash. So I'll try programming it and see if it works.